I wish to have a comfortable lifestyle during my retirement years. Please suggest on how can I make it happen. Thank you for that question, ma'am. I believe that every one of us desires a comfortable lifestyle during our retirement years. Siyempre, we want to savor all the hard work that we did for the past years and enjoy it during our retirement years nga. So the reality nga lang is that tend to delay our preparations for retirement in a later time. Gigising na lang tayo one day, realize natin malapit na pala tayo mag-retire in 5 to 10 years na lang. So, ang mangyayari ngayon is somehow magpapanik sa mga financial decisions para nga makahabol at ma-meet nga yung goal na yon na magkaroon ng comfortable lifestyle during retirement. Pero syempre naman, we always have that choice to prepare for it as early as now. Especially while we are still young, and we are in our prime working years na pataas ang ating income, lalo na kung maliit pa yung expenses natin for those single people out here, mas malaking advantage nyo pa to prepare for it. Given all these things, we really have to have a solid financial plan intended for your retirement fund in the future. And if we have a solid financial plan for our retirement, then may iwasan po natin yung financial stress on our retirement years. Hindi tayo mag-iisip na in case man kailanganin natin ng funds for emergencies, meron tayong mahuhugotan. Let me share to you some quick tips on how we can start doing it and to have that solid financial plan. Una po, we have to set our goals. How much of a lifestyle ang gusto natin the moment we started in our retirement years. Right now, we are enjoying an income of 50,000 net income na pumapasok po sa inyo. That equates to your lifestyle, 50,000 lifestyle. Gusto rin nyo po ba ng another 50,000 lifestyle during our retirement years? Or gusto nyo na mas higher, 70 or even 100,000? As of now pa lang, if naka-set na yung goals natin, then makikita natin kung ano yung mga pwede nating gawin along the way hanggang sa umabot yung retirement year natin. Kung gusto natin ng 100,000, then what are our options? Paano yung mga kailangan nating gawin, mga investments kailangan nating pasukin para mag-grow yung money natin ng mas mabilis and ma-reach yung total retirement fund na kailangan natin before our retirement year. Ngayon, since meron na tayong goal, example, gusto nating 100,000 per month na lifestyle, then we have to start our savings plan na. Pwede tayong mag-open ng separate account intended specifically for your retirement fund. Challenge ngayon is to build that habit or discipline of savings. Then pwede nyong i-automate yung entire savings plan ninyo. So, pwede kayong mag-enroll ng auto-deduction or auto-debit facility from your one account to another para at least hindi nyo lang namamalayan siya. Pwede simulan like 1,000 per month. Kung kaya naman, palakihin ka agad at 5,000, 10,000. Anyway, wala naman talo dito. Palaging panalo naman po kayo kasi account nyo naman po yan and it's your plan din naman for your retirement years. Now na na-automate na natin yung savings natin, naka-set up na siya. So, hindi enough naman kung isi-save lang natin yun. We have to do something na mas mag-grow pa higher yung ating pera from higher than the interest na ino-offer lang ng banks. Marami diyang investment facilities like UITFs or mutual funds. Pwede nga magsimula as low as 500 to 1,000 per month lang. Ang maganda lang dito is mas mataas nga yung growth potential niya compare sa isang savings account lang. Now, kung na-build nyo na yung habit na yon and then consistently you're building up your retirement fund from that mutual fund account, then mabuti na rin na dagdagan mo pa yon, open another account. There's sa iba naman, pwede namang bonds or another account sa stock market naman. Mag-open kayo ng online account sa isang brokerage company. Gusto po natin ng comfortable lifestyle during our retirement years, then we really have to take action as early as now. Let's not waste any more time and let's take action already towards the goals natin sa ating retirement years.